Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's question is that is the qurbani, is the sacrifice obligatory on the children? One of other condition for the qurbani to be wajib is to be an adult. So if a child is wealthy, then even in that case qurbani will not be wajib on him, nor will his father be required to perform qurbani on behalf of his minor child. However, if a father wants to sacrifice himself on behalf on his minor children, he can do so personally, and just as adults can be at the part of the posthumous sacrifice as the sacrifice of the reward or the aqiqah to be the big animal with the parts of the obligatory sacrifice is the same way the part of the posthumous sacrifice by a minor child can be added to the parts of the animal along with the adults who are his guardians. Ma'as salama ila liqa.